During the sales process, a client of ours didn't care about our library of 5,000 reports and dashboards. He said, I don't need 5,000 reports. I only need 20. And I'm pretty sure that you don't have any of my 20. It's a fair question. We asked for one of the reports that he needed, and he showed us a 4-month moving average sale by product. We searched for moving average sales by product, and we only found moving average for 3, 6, and 12 months. He was right. We didn't have for 4 months. But right there during the call, we opened one of the reports, and it took us only about a minute to change a parameter of this report to calculate for 4 months instead of 3. We saved as a new report and said, there you go. Now we have 5,001 reports, and one of yours is ready. And right there, we made the sale. You see, while each business is unique, there are lots of reporting needs that are pretty common across many organizations. For instance, do you want to see some sort of customer sales trend? Let's check it out here. Customer sales. We have developed over 600 ways to slice and dice customer sales. This list is growing, inspired by the reporting requests by organizations like yours. The good news with DataSelf is that for a lot of your data trend questions, you will not have to spend countless hours reinventing the reporting wheel. The CFO of another client of ours moved to a new organization and called us and asked us to install DataSelf in the very next day, just as is, no needs analysis required. He said that in his first DataSelf project, he made priority to automate a complex commission calculation. That project took months to complete. After DataSelf went live in automated commissions, he started to browse DataSelf's out-of-the-box reports. He went to projects. Let me clear the filters and go to the list mode. Each project represents a different business area for reporting purposes. He selected SA Sales and opened some of the workbooks. Each workbook is like an Excel file, while views are like Excel tabs. Right from this list, the CFO found a dashboard that showed major issues with the way certain products were being sold. If he had opened that dashboard right at the beginning of the DataSelf project, the fixing of the issue would have paid off the investment in DataSelf a few times over already. Back to his case in point, he said, I don't know what I don't know. Show me my data tomorrow. Good or bad, it's my data, and I can make sense of it. This time, I want to be in the driver's seat from day one. That's another interesting story. And to open reports and dashboards here, you select a workbook, and I recommend browsing, filtering this list by the workbook name. Feel free to change between thumbnails or list. Select one of them. You see a bunch of views, or we'll open one of them and see if it adds value to your business. Next, please go to the Start icon and visit Ad Hoc for how to change existing reports on the fly. Thanks for watching.